You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hello and welcome to the video today. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and firmware update of this new Voicelive 3 vocal effects and guitar effects multi-looper pedal. So this is a brand new, so we'll go ahead. Voicelive 3. Get your guitar and headphone cable and a mini USB connection for connecting to your computer to update firmware and connect to voice support software. We're going to show you how to do that. Okay, right in the top there, you get your TC-Helicon power supply. I believe that's 18 volts. Yes, and you get your United States and European adapters. I strongly recommend using the company's brand name power supply on a unit that costs this much. So you can buy a I would buy a backup power supply because it's not the most robust power supply. Actually get a printed manual. Yay! We're gonna read that later. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. I'm not used to these. I believe it's 13.8 inches wide, and about 8 point something deep, about 3 tall. That's pretty much what you get. This is still sealed vacuum pack. That's what we want to see. So we're going to go ahead and open that up and power it up and connect it to our laptop and show you how to update the firmware. So we're going to go ahead and unseal this because this is a sealed unit. We're going to unseal it and power it up and connect it to our laptop and connect it to voice support and let it scan the device and tell us if it needs an update. So one of the things we noticed right off the bat is this is a pretty robust unit. It's metal, it's stainless on the top here, or aluminum, excuse me, and plastic on the sides. Got a little handle on the bottom so you can hold it. It's kind of a neat thing to have. And it's got some temporary instructions on the bottom there, so you can put your Velcro here and here. Looks like you got some adhesive strips here that you can peel off and stick on something, or these are just the rubber pads. That's it, rubber pads. So on the back, there's amazing connectability this unit does. Just amazing. You can connect it any which way to anything you've got. You've got your mic line. You've got the mic line input, which is both XLR and 1/4 inch. You got another 1/4 inch for guitar in or guitar through. You got monitor in, monitor through. You can run mono out, voice out. I'm sorry, left right, guitar left right, foot switch, and expression pedal. And you also got your MIDI stuff here. Here we're going to be connecting our USB cable here. Here, and connecting that to our laptop, and there's your power, and you get a power button, which is a nice feature to have. Here I believe you can mess around with sending guitar left and vocal right on the same channels, but that's, you got to get into the menu to set all that up. But anyway, it's hopefully an all-in-one solution to the old pedal board problem. So we're going to go ahead and connect it to our laptop. So we want to take the micro end, mini end of the USB and connect it here. We have not powered the TC-Helicon up just yet. And then we're going to take the other end of the USB and connect it to your laptop that has already downloaded the Voicelive support software. Okay, so we'll go ahead and power up the unit. There it goes. And that blip just told me that my laptop acknowledges that it's there. Alright. So this is straight factory. We haven't played with any settings. Yeah, 494 presets. There's no way I need all of those. I'm just an acoustic player, so we're going to set this up for acoustic anyway. Anyway, now we'll go ahead and launch voice support. New firmware is available for this Voicelive. Do you want to update now? Do not stop the update once it starts. Very, very important. Halting the transfer of the Voicelive before it completes could result in data loss and an inoperative device. You will brick it if you restart the power of the Voicelive while doing this, so let it finish. So we're going to go ahead and click yes. And it is now going ahead and updating firmware. It was that simple. You just powered it up, it detected the device, it scanned it, and it knew it needed firmware, and it's right out of the box. So you want to do that right away before you even mess around with anything. I'm going to do this in real time so you have an idea how long it takes. We just purchased this in January 2018, and this is the latest firmware as of when this is published. It's going pretty quick. Machine's not really doing anything, it's analyzing it right now. Okay, now it's system update. It analyzed it and now it's doing its update, and it's doing this very colorful thing. So now you want to let it keep going. Do not interrupt it. Don't cut the power supply or you'll break it. So system update, you get this very colorful looping action on the lights so you know it's working. And back to status. This might take a little bit. You might as well update it as soon as you get it. This way you don't have any issues messing around with presets and then updating it. So the voice support software also works for any other device you have. See, we also have a Play Acoustic that has also been synced to the Voicelive, so it keeps track of your devices for you. And up in the upper left corner, the software is pretty cool. You can update, disconnect, scan your device. Sorry. You can update, disconnect, or scan your device, and then when you click here, we'll get into the preset section. But anyway, that's for you to figure out. Really need to know how to use the voice support in order to get the most out of your product, and it's really easy to use. If you want to load in presets and take out some of the bad ones that are in here, you can do that. You can tailor it to your preferences. If you're in a full-on rock band or a solo acoustic guy or what have you, this device can do it all. If you take the time to set it up right. Again, doing this in real time, so still updating. There's also a status bar on the screen here, so we're almost on about 66% of the way. The status bar kind of syncs up to the firmware update bar here, so yeah, 70%. It's going pretty quick. Can't stress how important it is to update the firmware as soon as you get to the unit. So 82% sending update, overall progress 48%. So we're going to send the firmware update to the unit. The unit needs to process the update, and then it will reboot itself. Do not try to hard reboot it yourself in the middle of this data transfer. Almost there. Now it's waiting for Voicelive to apply the update. And then you get a sign here that says, please wait, updating system. So now the Voicelive is updating its internal firmware with the data it was just sent. So it takes a little while. Again, don't unplug anything, don't disconnect power. Let it finish. Very important. And if it asks you to restart, just click cancel. You do not need to tell it to restart. Switch now, it's saying loading. I just got a system updated flash, and now it reverted back. So we're still waiting for it to. We're going to wait till it's finished. Make sure the bars are all the way over and everything is 100% completed before you disconnect or do anything else. Firmware complete. Voicelive has updated successfully. We'll click OK. Fantastic. So that was pretty quick. Got that done in under, I don't know, 6 minutes, something like that. So this is our unit. We can now go in here and we see the presets. Over here are your presets. Over here is a device you can back up. You can go to the cloud. The cloud has a bunch of presets that you can look through and dump into your Voicelive depending on what you have. So this is all factory. It's got all the factory stuff in there. So we're going to go ahead and explore the 400 and it looks like 254 presets are in here. 259 out of 500. So there's 500 we can add. So go ahead and look around. You just go down to the cloud section here. Click over to one of these, like the Mega Pack, and it gives you a whole bunch of cool ones that you can pick. So say for instance, look for an acoustic one. See if there's one that might be good for acoustic. America Horse with No Name, just as an example. Okay, we'll take that over and drag it and dump it to the Voicelive 3. Paste preset to empty slot or replace 23 thinner. We're going to paste to empty slot. So just put it on 255. So go through and like I said, go to the presets, and again you go down here and click. There's all kinds of cool ones you can pick through. Tom's Pack, Synth Pack. You can pick out all the things that you want. NOM 2014 pack, and you can personalize your device. So that's it, how you update your firmware. Have fun, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it.